Previously on the Mitch Johnson channel. Welcome back to the Mitch Johnson channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be going to show you guys my husband's office. So today I'll be going to his office and I would like to show that to you guys. I will give you a tour. So I hope you'll enjoy that. Let's go. And what I'm going to bring with me, you guys, is my computer. So I'm gonna bring my computer with me because I'm gonna go fishing in his office kasi doon. Dito kasi I think na humihina na yung wifi namin. So I better use his office to do more YouTube work. So kasi doon we have more unlimited wifi internet. So yun, tara guys! Gabi na guys kasi actually panggabi si Chris. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang area, office area. So, before ako makapasok, I need my ID to get in there. ID din. Hello. I'm going to 43 floor. So this is my OOTD. All right, stop. Hey guys.
Rapid fire hitter on 17. Reset views.
Okay.
Rapid fire hitter on.
I am here at my husband's office. I just got here. So he is working by himself. He's alone. So, kasi why do you choose to work at night, babe?
Because my wife says, make me money.
Make me money. So, ayan guys, ang daming... I go here sometimes, maybe twice a week. I send him food, bring him food, like this.
Yeah, what'd you bring tonight?
Ta-da!
I'll have those now.
So, ayan, snack. I can show you the screen. Okay, say hi to the people.
Me?
Yes, say
Hello,
your friend.
Hello, people.
Hello, people. He's working hard. That's why I'm here to.
Hardly.
He's working hard,
or hardly
and I'm
working?
here to.
Distract him.
No, how to say that? I'm here to support.
Excuse me, Ashley.
Gaya ng mga friends natin dito sa YouTube. Support lang guys. Huwag magbitawan, okay? Support lang tayo. Huwag yung bitawan. Subscribe. Ayun. So, anong gagawin ko dito sa office? Siyempre, hello mic testing. Manggugulo lang. Si Mitch, manggugulo lang tayo. So, ang gagawin ko, mamimili ako kung anong desk ang aking gagamitin kasi ako ay mangingisda. Maghahanap ako ng mga subscriber dyan. Sana kayo. Magpaikot-ikot muna tayo. Woo! Ayan. Ito na ginagawa ko dito sa office. Woo! Ang kulit. So, ang pipiliin kong desk, ito, dito ako mag-fishing. And ano pala guys, and mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kitchen nila Chris, where they get coffee, where they sit down, where they rest, and they have a break. I'll show you that later. Yan, let me prepare my... So, ito yung dala ko guys. What's in my bag? What's in my bag? So, I just uploaded a video on my fashion channel. I uploaded this haul.
Close the cash equity trade in Europe. European bourses look to be going out not far from the highs of the day. 3 3/4% gain for the DAX. FTSE XC100 up close to
Okay, what's in my bag?
ATIQ confirming.
This chair. Babe, I want this chair, ha? Mas komportable kaya ito? Ay, pwede. So, what's in my bag? Here, I'm going to show you what's in my bag. Syempre, that's why I came here to bring the my tax documents. Yeah, may mga kailangan kaming pirmahan. And what else in my bag? Cash. Nagpa-withdraw kasi yung asawa ko sa akin ng cash. Phone. Computer, my laptop, mask, wallet, cord, my computer cord. Ito yung pang-connect sa phone, computer, sa laptop, and ito sa phone. Para kung transfer ako ng video, ito. Syempre, girl stuff, panty liner, ano tawag to? Hand sanitizer. Syempre, dapat maingat. What else in my bag? Ang aking, I have this cardigan para pag malamig. Pag malamig, you guys, get warm. Yan. What else? Malapit na. Wala nang laman. Mga kalat, papel, resibo. Mga papel, mga itatapon ko to. Kasi ng mga nagpo-perfume testing kasi ako, ng isang araw, kasama ng mga friends ko. So, nilagay ko siya sa bag para mabango rin yung bag. Balik na lang natin kasi ayoko magkalat. And sa bulsa, ayan, what I have here, AirPods, I don't know. My Hong Kong ID, key, and lipstick, my favorite lipstick, current favorite lipstick, the NARS. Ayan. Retouch. Diba? And coins. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung laman ng ating bag. Mahiwagang bag. So, this is my current favorite bag. This is, yes. So, yun lang guys. So, let's me go to work. Find more subscribers. Guys, we are leaving now. Chris just finished his work. It's super late now. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm gonna show you the kitchen. So, ito yung kusina nila guys. Kusina, meeting room. Here I can get water. And here, yan yung coffee machine nila. Chris is there. Sometimes I do my work here. Just bring my laptop. So that's it. That's pretty much it, you guys. Ang ganda, no? So we're going now. Did you press the lift?
No.
Yes, you did. So ayan kami ni Chris. It's super late now. Press. And I'm gonna end this vlog here. So, yun yung office ni Chris. I hope you enjoy. Babe? Super late na pagod na rin si Chris. Hindi niya na kaya mag-entertain. So, I hope you enjoy, guys. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog here. That's what is so tired. So, let's say goodbye, babe. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.
Tapos na guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this office tour. Bye!